Mom accused of leaving her baby alone for days, strapped in a car seat in a hot Wyoming apartment before bringing his lifeless body to the hospital, will undergo a psychiatric examination. The 22-year-old mother remains in custody as the exam takes place. She's facing murder charges right now.
Barton Dieters is back from court today, and he's been looking more into this heartbreaking case. Barton.
Well, Sue and Brian, the mother, whose name is Lovely Johnson, had already lost custody of one child, was wanted on a warrant when she was arrested for the death of 6-month-old Noah. What happened leading up to the death leaves little other than questions that may never be answered to anyone's satisfaction.
A year ago, Lovely Johnson was in a Kentwood courtroom where she would plead guilty to stealing from the Woodland Mall. Court records show she never did any of the things she's supposed to do under the terms of her probation, including community service, paying $896 in fines and costs, and attending counseling. A bench warrant was then issued for her. But police found Noah alone in a vehicle parked outside a video store in Wyoming 2 weeks before he would die in that apartment. The vehicle, which did not belong to Johnson, had marijuana and a skull-shaped pipe in it, police said. Wyoming police say they then called Child Protective Services and Kentwood Police, and neither agency called for her to be detained. So Wyoming officers returned the boy to his mother and let her go. CPS says they do not always have someone immediately available to investigate, and they rely on local law enforcement to remove children from obvious situations of danger. The fact that there was no one else to take custody of the child and the warrant was only for a shoplifting case that Kentwood did not seek an arrest for, this led Wyoming police to release Johnson with just a warning. 2 weeks later, she would bring the decomposing 12-pound body of the child to Helen DeVos Children's Hospital around 2:20 a.m. on July 19th. Police said Johnson admitted to leaving the child unchanged and unfed for much of the 4 days before his death. Now, Johnson will undergo an examination by a state psychiatric expert, and the defense could also have a separate exam, delaying the next hearing until at least February 2nd. This will make a determination if Johnson is competent to stand trial and can be held legally responsible for her actions. But in the end, it may be up to a jury to decide where this case falls on the thin line between insanity and depravity. In studio, Barton Dieters, 24 Hour News 8.